Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change like button to follow button on Facebook page. On Facebook, changing the like button to a follow button depends on the type of page you have. For new pages, using the new pages experience, only the follow button is displayed by default, and there's no option to revert it back to like. For classic pages, some users both like and follow. But those buttons are managed separately and can't be directly switched. If you want a follow-only interface, the best approach is to switch your page to New Pages Experience, which streamlines the engagement buttons automatically. Eligible pages can either be upgraded automatically by Facebook or manually through the Switch to New Page Experience option in your page settings. Once upgraded, the follow button will replace the like button, simplifying how visitors engage with your page. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.